Hi, I'm John Abrahams, co-founder of Hiplok, here to talk to you today about securing your bike at home. Now everyone knows to lock their bike when they're out and about, but did you know most bike thefts actually happen in and around the home? So don't take any chances and use something secure and Sold Secure rated at the house. In the UK, most insurance companies will only insure your bike if it's locked up using a Sold Secure rated product. Sold Secure is an independent agency that rate how strong a security product is, such as a chain lock or an anchor. One of the most popular choices is a secure anchor and a long chain. The advantage of this is that you can lock multiple bikes at once. I'm going to demonstrate today using the Hiplok anchor and the Hiplok Homie. The Hiplok anchor is a secure fixing point that can be mounted to masonry walls or floors using the supplied fixings. It's Sold Secure Gold rated up to motorbike level. The unique thing about this product is the three-piece design allows you to relocate it if ever you want to move your security setup without your security being compromised. The anchor comprises two hardened steel shells, an inner and an outer, which when combined together make the fixings impossible to access, making it really difficult to remove. When the chain is passed through, it's impossible to rotate this centre part so it can't be removed. But unlocking the chain means you can access it easily. The rubber cap on the outside ensure no chips or scratches to the frame. To make sure your bike's totally secured, pass the chain through the hole in the anchor, at least one point of the frame, and ideally both wheels. Secure with the padlock, and you're done. If you prefer to store and secure your bike off the floor and you have the wall space available, then the airlock is a great choice. The airlock is a wall hanger and Sold Secure rated gold lock combined in one. To secure your bike at home, simply fit the airlock in its desired location with the security fixings included. Lift your bike into the rubber mounted hanger and keep bike thieves away by locking the 30mm hardened steel locking pin. Thanks for watching, I hope it was useful. Just remember, keep your bike secured at home. For more tips on security, go to the Hiplok YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and safe riding.